For decades, scientists have tried to pinpoint when early human ancestors transitioned from a plant-based diet to regular meat consumption. This shift is believed to have played a crucial role in brain development and evolution. Thanks to a groundbreaking study analyzing fossilized tooth enamel, researchers are now closer than ever to answering this fundamental question. Early hominins and their plant-based diet. It has long been established that early hominins, including the Australopithecus genus, relied heavily on plants. Their teeth, jaws, and digestive systems were well adapted to consuming a variety of fruits, leaves, and other vegetation. However, researchers have struggled to determine exactly when meat became a regular part of their diet. The Sterkfontein Caves in South Africa, one of the richest fossil sites for early human ancestors, provided an opportunity to explore this mystery. Scientists analyzed fossilized tooth enamel from Australopithecus specimens dating back 3.4 million years. By examining nitrogen isotopes, which indicate an animal's position in the food chain, they aimed to determine whether these hominins consumed the nutrient-rich flesh. Nitrogen has two stable isotopes, nitrogen-14, superscript 1n, and nitrogen-15, superscript 1n. In food chains, nitrogen isotopes become enriched as one moves higher up the chain. Predators have a higher ratio of superscript 1n compared to herbivores. This method has been successfully used in marine microfossils, but applying it to fossilized tooth enamel was a novel approach. After years of testing on modern and fossilized animal teeth, researchers confirmed that the method could reliably distinguish between herbivores and carnivores. Australopithecus molars, the results were clear, their nitrogen isotope levels were similar to those of herbivores. This suggests they were not consuming meat regularly, if at all. When did humans start eating meat? The findings indicate that Australopithecus primarily ate plants, with possible occasional consumption of insects or eggs. There is no strong evidence that they hunted or scavenged meat in significant quantities. This raises the question, when did hominins transition to a meat-rich diet? The answer lies with the emergence of the Homo genus around 2 million years ago. Fossil evidence from this period shows a marked increase in stone tool use, particularly for butchering animal carcasses. Also, cut marks on fossilized bones confirm that early humans were actively processing meat. Regular meat consumption likely coincided with major evolutionary leaps, including increased brain size and social complexity. Meat provided dense calories, essential amino acids, and key nutrients, allowing for more energy-efficient digestion compared to fibrous plant material. This may have freed up metabolic resources, enabling the development of a larger, more complex brain. How diet shaped human evolution. The transition to regular meat consumption was more than just a dietary shift, it played a crucial role in shaping human evolution. Early hominins who incorporated meat into their diet gained a significant advantage: higher energy intake with less effort. Unlike plant-based foods, which require long digestion and extensive chewing, meat provided a concentrated source of calories and essential nutrients, fueling brain growth and physical development. From an analysis of tooth enamel from 7 Australopithecus fossils and is significant because the emergence of meat eating is thought to be a key driver of a large increase in brain size seen in later hominins. Every human behavior, from abstract thought to the development of complex technology, is a result of the evolution of the brain. According to evolutionary scientists, meat consumption is a primary driver of many aspects of the evolution of our own genus, Homo, including brain size. When hominins started to exploit and consume highly nutritious animal products is a major question in human evolution studies because it represents a turning point in our evolution. However, direct evidence of when meat eating emerged among our earliest ancestors, and how its consumption developed through time, has remained elusive to scientists. They compared the isotopic data from those fossils with tooth samples of other coexisting animals at the time, such as monkeys, antelopes, hyenas, jackals, and big cats. The comparison revealed that while it's possible Australopithecus occasionally consumed meat, its primary diet was plant-based. In fact, the isotopic data showed the hominin ate more like a herbivore than a carnivore. One interpretation of this result, explains Stratford, is that changes in behavior known to occur in Australopithecus may not be a result of an increase in meat consumption. It may also suggest that regular meat eating had not yet emerged as a behavior in a hominin this old, implying that it occurred only later in time, or in a different geographic area. Overall, this work provides clear evidence that Australopithecus in South Africa did not eat significant amounts of meat 3 million years ago, and it represents a huge step in extending our ability to better understand diets and trophic level of all animals back into the scale of millions of years.